Hello, amazing listener. Welcome back to ELS, English Listening and Shadowing. I'm Jess, your host. This is your place to improve your English with fun conversations.
And I'm Ray, your co-host, here to make learning English exciting. Thank you for joining us today.
Today's topic is common mistakes English learners make while traveling. You'll hear a long conversation at a bus station. Pay attention because the traveler makes many mistakes. After the conversation, we'll explain the grammar and vocabulary.
And guess what? We've also prepared a free PDF for you. Just check the link in the description to download today's topic.
Oh, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a lesson. All right, let's get started with the main conversation.
Excuse me, I want to go to the bus station. Where it is?
The bus station? You're already here. This is the bus station.
Oh, really? I am confused. Where is the bus?
The bus hasn't arrived yet. Maybe it will come in 15 minutes.
15 minutes. Okay. The bus always late, yes?
Sometimes. Today the traffic is heavy.
Oh, traffic is very bad. Yesterday I take the bus, but today I don't know which one go downtown.
The number 25 bus goes downtown. You can wait here.
Thank you. How much it cost the bus to downtown?
It costs $2?
$2. Okay. Where I can buy the ticket?
You can buy the ticket from the machine over there, or pay cash to the driver.
I don't have cash. I want pay with card. It possible?
Yes, some buses accept cards, but it's better to have small cash.
Oh no, I no bring cash. Yesterday I paying with card in another bus, but today may be different.
Don't worry, the driver will help you.
The bus not come yet. What time it arrive?
It should arrive at 10:30. Now it's 10:20, so maybe 10 more minutes.
Okay, I waiting. By the way, the weather is very hot today, yes?
Yes, it's summer here. Where are you from?
I from Spain. I travel for vacation.
Nice. How long are you staying?
I stay here since 3 days. Tomorrow I will go another city.
Oh, that's exciting. Which city?
I go to New York tomorrow morning, but I don't sure how to go airport.
You can take a bus to the airport or maybe a train.
Okay, I will look. You are living here long time?
Yes, I've lived here all my life.
Wow, so you know all place good. I need stay in hotel tonight. Can you tell me where is it?
Which hotel?
Any cheap hotel. I don't want expensives.
There's a budget hotel across the street, around $50 per night.
$50. Oh, it's okay. Do they have breakfast?
Yes, breakfast is included.
Oh, good. Yesterday I eating in restaurant, but the food was very expensive.
Expensive, not expenses.
Oh, yes, I am bad in grammar.
Look, your bus is here. Number 25.
Finally, the bus is very late.
It's only 5 minutes late. Not too bad.
Okay, thank you so much. You are very kindly.
You're welcome. Safe travels.
All right, learners, let's break down that conversation.
Wow, that was a long conversation with many mistakes.
Let's correct them together. 1. I want go is wrong. The correct version is I want to go. 2. Where it is wrong. The correct version is where is it? 3. I am confused is wrong. The correct version is I am confused. 4. 15-minute is wrong. The correct version is 15 minutes. 5. Yesterday I take the bus is wrong. The correct version is yesterday I took the bus. 6. How much it cost is wrong. The correct version is how much does it cost? 7. Where I can buy is wrong. The correct version is where can I buy it? 8. I want pay is wrong. The correct version is I want to pay. 9. I know bring cash is wrong. The correct version is I didn't bring cash. 10. The bus not come yet is wrong. The correct version is the bus hasn't come yet. 11. I from Spain is wrong. The correct version is I am from Spain. 12. I stay here since 3 days is wrong. The correct version is I have stayed here for 3 days. 13. I go to New York tomorrow is wrong. The correct version is I am going to New York tomorrow. 14. I don't sure is wrong. The correct version is I'm not sure. 15. You are living here a long time is wrong. The correct version is have you lived here a long time? 16. $50 is wrong. The correct version is $50. 17. Food was very expensive is wrong. The correct version is the food was very expensive. 18. I am bad in grammar is wrong. The correct version is I am bad at grammar. 19. You are very kindly is wrong. The correct version is you are very kind. Now, let's explain some of the most important mistakes in detail. 1. Missing to after want. Mistake. I won't go to the bus station. Correct. I want to go to the bus station. Explanation. After want, always use to plus a verb. For example, say, I want to eat, not I want eat. 2. Incorrect word order in questions. Mistake, where it is, or how much it cost. Correct, where is it, and how much does it cost? Explanation. In English questions, we put the helping verb like is or does before the subject. For example, say, where is the station, not where the station is. 3. Wrong verb form after I am. Mistake. I am confused. Correct. I am confused. Explanation. After I am, we use an adjective, not a verb. For example, I am tired. I am confused. 4. Singular instead of plural for time. Mistake. 15 minutes. Correct. 15 minutes. Explanation. When talking about more than one unit of time, add s. For example, 2 minutes, 3 hours, 5 days. 5. Incorrect past tense. Mistake. Yesterday I take the bus. Or yesterday I paying with card. Correct. Yesterday I took the bus. And yesterday I paid with the card. Explanation. When talking about yesterday, use past tense verbs like took or paid. Don't use take or paying. 6. Missing have in present perfect. Mistake. I stay here since 3 days. Correct. I have been here for 3 days. Explanation. To talk about something that started in the past and continues now, use have plus the past participle. Also, use since for a point in time and for duration. 7. Wrong adjective form. Mistake. The food was very expensive. Correct. The food was very expensive. Explanation. Adjectives don't change for plural nouns. Always say expensive, not expensives. 8. Incorrect adverb use. Mistake. You are very kindly. Correct. You are very kind. Explanation. Kindly is an adverb, but here we need an adjective. Use kind after you are. Fixing just these areas will make your English sound much clearer. And remember, mistakes are part of learning. Every mistake is a chance to grow.
Exactly. Now that we've explained the corrections, it's time to make those words and expressions really stick. Let's hand it over to Clarissa for some vocabulary practice.
Thanks, Jess and Ray. Hi, everyone. Let's have fun practicing vocabulary from today's topic. I'll explain 5 useful words and phrases you heard in the conversation. Then we'll practice saying them together. Ready? 1. Fare. Meaning, the money you pay for a journey on public transport. Example, the bus fare to downtown is $2. Repeat after me. Fare. One more time. Fare. 2. Confused. Meaning, unable to understand something clearly. Example, I'm confused about the bus schedule. Repeat after me. Confused. One more time. Confused. 3. Downtown. Meaning, the central part of the city. Example, the number 25 bus goes downtown. Repeat after me. Downtown. One more time. Downtown. 4. Budget hotel. Meaning, a cheap or low-cost hotel. Example, I stayed in a budget hotel for $50 per night. Repeat after me. Budget hotel. One more time. Budget hotel. 5. Kind. Meaning, friendly and helpful. Example, the local person was very kind to the traveler. Repeat after me. Kind. One more time. Kind. Great job, everyone! You've just practiced 5 new words. Keep repeating them to sound more natural.
Awesome! Now that you know the vocab, let's test your listening skills.
That's right, Jess. And for this quiz, we're bringing back our amazing friend Clarissa to test your skills. Take it away, Claire.
Thanks, Ray. Okay, learners, grab a pen or just think along. 5 questions, multiple choice. Let's go. Question 1. Where was the traveler at the beginning of the conversation? A. At the train station. B. At the bus station. C. At the airport. Question 2. How long did the local say the bus would take to arrive? A. 5 minutes. B. 10 minutes. C. 15 minutes. Question 3. How much does the bus to downtown cost? A. $1. B. $2. C. $5. Question 4. Where is the cheap hotel the local recommended? A. Next to the train station. B. Across the street. C. Behind the bus stop. Question 5. Which city was the traveler going to visit next? A. Los Angeles. B. New York. C. Chicago. 5 questions done. How many did you get right? Don't worry, practice makes progress. Share your score in the comments and let's see who's the quiz champ.
Thanks, Clarissa. That was super helpful. Okay, listeners, that's all for today's episode of ELS English Listening and Shadowing. Thank you for joining us. We hope you enjoyed today's journey and learned something new.
If you liked this, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Leave a comment. How do you explore today's joys or fix past mistakes?
Don't forget, you can get the free PDF in the description and try shadowing to sound more confident.
Keep listening, keep practicing, and keep shining.
Bye,
Bye,
everyone.
everyone.
See you soon.